Hey guys, it's Bella here today, and today I'm going to show you how to make a unique pool. Like, you can look it up from the toolbox or whatever, but it won't be as unique. Anyway, so we go to, no, not plugins, we go to, where is it again? No, fuck, where the, I don't see it in here. Where the hell is it? What the fuck? There it is. Anyway, so, okay, so we go to regions, okay, and then, like, what? Okay, never mind, but, okay, so, on regions, we're gonna make a pool, alright, make it big enough, okay, and then we're gonna, wait, how did I do that again? No, what? This makes no sense. Okay, so we just gotta fill, why isn't this working? Seriously, Roblox made it more difficult. Oh, here we go, so, how about I just put this, like, what? I guess we could just put this over here. Kind of weird, but yeah, anyway, so we're gonna fill it with this piece of wood or whatever. I wanna paint it different, but you could put wood around it if you want, but I'm not actually going to. I'm just gonna get a part. It's kind of a little easier like this anyway, but a part, like, so you could just like do this or whatever. Nope. Okay, so by the way, if you're doing this, you should uncheck these. Because if you check these, this is what makes it kind of like that and all. And if you just like want to size it whatever you want, uncheck these. See, look, because it's better. Okay, so I just want to make mine kind of like pinkish. You can paint it whatever you want, because it's your pool. All right, I choose no, not granite. Ew. No. Marble. No. How about neon? I want to make it kind of like really bright and like so it kind of looks like a. No, I don't want sand. Ew. I want a neon one that looks pretty cool. There we go. Let's duplicate it, and then move it like right over here. You could do that if you want. I'm just gonna do me, but yeah. You could size it whatever you want. It doesn't really matter anyway, because it's like your size pool, but how to make it unique, you know. Alright, so I'm just gonna move this over here, scale it, size it. Oh, okay, and then duplicate it again. So if you don't want these to fall apart, you gotta anchor these, alright? You gotta anchor it, so it won't fall apart. Okay, so, we wanna also make these a little bigger so that the water could fit inside. Alright, so that we could, like, have a big pool, make it look really cool, you know? Okay, so, now we're gonna go to editor, regions. We're gonna size it over here. We can make it smaller because I was just watching this video by this kid who how to make a unique pool. He was a giant help. I know the video was very long. It was like 30 minutes. But yeah, he really helped me there. He should like do lots more videos of unique stuff. Anyway, so I was like, because earlier this morning when I was just trying to like get Roblox Studio, it wouldn't come in. I think it got an update because when I was just watching the kids' video, the region thing, the blue region thing, it just go up to here. It wouldn't go down there, but Roblox made an update, so yeah, that's why I was like, oh, thank goodness. So we're gonna fill it out with water. Okay, and that's kind of how you make the water, kind of. Now let's just exit that. Let's test it to see if it will work. Wait, I'm not done yet. I am not done yet, alright? I am not done yet. Don't leave. Do not leave. There is a lot more good coolness to make it into a pool. A lot more. Okay, so we don't want the ground to look fake, alright? So we're just gonna add a part. We're gonna scale it down there. Oh, and by the way, if you're like, how did I scale it way down there? Just uncheck those, alright? Like I already said, just a reminder so that you can make your pool look very unique. Alright, so we're gonna also anchor this, resize it like that. Okay, you can color it whatever you want. I choose bright pink again, and then make it neon. I'm like, you could make whatever you want. I'm just choosing hot pink neon. Yeah, okay. Sorry guys, someone was just calling me again. Alright, so, so that you don't have a hard time going inside because it's kind of pretty tall, we're gonna make some stairs. Okay, so, just make the stairs whatever you want. I'm gonna make it hot neon pink again. Okay, neon, where's neon? Okay, so we're just gonna make some goodable stairs. We're gonna duplicate it, move it up here, scale it, duplicate again. You get the idea. And duplicate again. Duplicate until you make some good stairs. Right up there. Duplicate. Okay, you kind of get the idea now. Just like duplicate, make it bigger, scale it. Yeah. Just one more now. Just need one more. And there we go. We got some good stairs to go on. Alright, so we kind of finished. I guess we kind of finished the cool part. Wait. Okay, so if you want to make it look cool, you could just like add like a drink or something, because right now I was just playing a game, and then it kind of had like a drink sitting like right here. Let's just make it a little bigger. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so wait, is it scaled? Okay, it is. Let's duplicate it so I can make it like a really cool pool. It's really cool. Oh yeah, I don't have any models. Okay, so you could just like put whatever thingy you want, like phones or drinks or whatever. I'll just do whatever. There will be a part 2, alright? Let's just like add like, what are those floaties? I guess floaties. I seriously forget what it's called. Okay, I guess it is called a floaty. I hope this we'll be able to have us sit on it. Let's just test it out to see if you could sit on it. I'm definitely gonna add a duck floaty to it though. Will this thing just hurry the up? Why is this thing? Hurry up, please. Alright, now let's just go in our pool on our neon stairs. So let's see if this works. Yep, it does work. I guarantee that. Okay, maybe it not might work. Okay, so now let's add it. Like 2 floaties. What the fuck? Why is this? Oh, there. Okay, now. Okay, so people want to have a unique pool, right? So if you want it to be a little unique, insert object and put a seat right here. Let's just make it transparent so that people won't be able to see the seat, where you could just sit whatever you want. So basically, yeah, you want, so that the seat works, we'll just test it out and see if it's the right way or direction. So if you want to, okay, where's the seat? Where is the, okay, so this is the wrong direction. So we're going to make it to the right direction. You gotta kind of like a little pay attention to it. Now let's duplicate. Like, okay. Alright. Good. Alright. This is kind of getting a little good now. Duplicate. We don't want to sit on glasses, do we? Duplicate. Duplicate. Kind of get it though. Duplicate. Now we're gonna change it the other direction so that we won't sit backwards or sideways. Okay, kind of a little off there. Okay. Duplicate. And duplicate. Duplicate. You get it, alright? So okay, this is kind of long, kind of a little boring, you know. Okay, duplicate, keep on duplicating. Just keep on duplicating. But anyway, I don't think I got no sleep last night. Anyway, oh crap, this kind of a little off here. Okie dokie. So now we're just gonna wait. Okay, so we fixed it. Okay. There's gonna be a part 2 because this is not just it, alright? I'm like, why would this still be a unique pool? There's more than uniques out there. There's more unique ones than, but I'm just trying to make it really unique. Alright, so okay, just keep on doing, oh crap. We're almost out of time for duplicate. That. Okay, so wait, I didn't do this side too. This is gonna take forever. Alright, so just, you know, duplicate and duplicate. Can't wait till this is over. Duplicate. Once you kind of like do it a lot, it gets a little irritating, but keep on duplicating for the round, for all around. So yeah, now let's test it out. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Oh man, I forgot to. Man, it gets so irritating that you even forget. Anyway, I'll see you on part 2, alright? Bye.